Hi, my name is Anuj Agarwal. I work as a vice president with Canon Marketing Philippines. I've been working with Canon for last almost 15 year plus, and during this 15 year working with Canon, I had the experience of dealing with a lot of Japanese, and that's where I got this motivation to learn Japanese language because after moving to Philippines 4 years back, I realized people who come from outside, especially the Japanese, they take a lot of interest in learning the local language. So that's what motivated me that if Japanese people can try to learn Hindi, why can't we try or I try to learn Japanese to understand their culture better and to try to understand some part of the conversation that they have among themselves. So once I decided that I want to learn the language, the one apprehension that was, is it the right age to learn? And that's where I got a reference of JIFL and Akshasan. And after my first interaction, he made me believe that there is no bar to learning, there is no age bar, and I can very well learn the Japanese language. It is not like that this is the first time I am trying to learn the Japanese language. I tried earlier also, but this whole motivation died down after a few classes. But this time, I think the way the Akshay-san conducted these classes, so I used to have a very good motivation or encouragement to join the new class, and that's how I have been able to sustain for more than now 4 months. And I look forward to every new class every day. That says a lot about the how the sessions are conducted or how the classes are conducted. These are very interactive and very I would say entertaining as well as interesting. So it has never become a burden for me at my age and my level of responsibilities. It is always difficult to find time, but with the level of interest that Akshay San has taken in the teaching, I am able to find a time as well as the interest in the language. So I would like to continue these classes to the next level of understanding as well as knowledge. So I hope that all the students who join JIFL or who are planning to join JIFL have the similar experience, and wish you all the best, Akshay-san, and thank you very much. Thank you and take care and stay safe. Thank you.